This Kenny Chesney song called "The Life." It's about a dude that just wants to, sit on his boat, play his guitar, and fish.
Stop. Really? I don't like you sometimes. Anyway. Self-isolation day 6 for us. The weather is fantastic. There's not much going on downtown Hollywood right now. There is a new bar opening up on Harrison Street with an indoor tiki bar. I'm excited for that. Oh, wow. How nice is that? It made me like the chill. Thank you for some sponsors. United Peace Band. So the mayor of Hollywood announced that all restaurants have to be closed to the public, but you can still order takeout for most of them, which I see a lot of these places have signs up that they're doing. So that's nice if you want to just take a walk and get out for a minute, but other than that, stay the hell home.
Stay away. Go. Keep your distance. Yeah. Go ahead. Show me what we're going to do today.
What?
Show me. What do we have?
It's 5:20 and it means it's quitting time.
Oh, yeah? Cheers. Man, the first sip is always the best, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
At least the weather's holding out for us, It's kind of nice. So I can continue my new little hobby here. We bought a little guitar, and I've never played guitar in my life, so now I'm learning all the chords and stuff. So I'm starting to get there. This is with our little thing we're sheltering in place and self-quarantining or whatever you want to call it. Give you something to do. So I got my G, and I could do my D, my A major, or yeah. And she wants the D. I'm starting to try to put some songs together. I'm just trying to get that muscle memory. That's enough for today.